Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's actually begin with the weekly analysis. First of all, a big shout out to Nikita because in her weekly analysis, she gave you a lot of huge bullish bias view, okay, in the weekly analysis. And since then, we've seen market go up almost like 1500 to 2000 points, okay. Actually, let me count it. Since this closing, we are up 1500 points, okay. So this takes a lot of courage to come in front of people and then give a bullish view when everyone is thinking bearish. So a big shout out to Nikita for that, okay. And because of her, we actually ended up making decent in the last 2 days because of a bullish view. Now moving forward, okay, what are we going to try to analyze and which strikes do we think we are going to go to zero? Now we'll start with the analysis soon. Now before we start, the first thing I want to remind you is let's keep the target for this video 600 likes, okay, for this video. And you actually should give us a like for Nikita's analysis over the last 2 days. Now let's begin. Today what happened? So today's candle, we went up 1000 point, okay, today. The larger time frame, what can we see? We can see market trying to make a higher high now. So whenever the market in the daily time frame, it closes above 52,600 level. जब भी ये होता है, for me, the bottom will be done and then we can probably attack this zone. So then what we can do, we can probably eat this much points very easy. This is what I think. So now I'll be covering what we did also and why we did it. But before that, let's look at the support and resistance levels as well. So first thing, where is a resistance? For me, I think the resistance is a zone now. Okay, do you see this zone? Now, why this zone? So first, let's look at this candle. This candle is on 1st October candle. Now, if you analyze this candle, there was a gap after that. So whenever the gap will be filled, there can be some sort of resistance in the market. Okay. So tomorrow, if we touch that level, I'm expecting some bounce from there, which means according to me 52,800 call also has to go to zero, most probably. So this is a stiff resistance zone because we already took resistance 2 times from here, and also there's a gap zone. Okay, so this gap and the resistance, the previous resistance, is probably going to form a difficult point for market to be taken out over the next 1 to 2 days. Okay, so what can we expect tomorrow? I don't expect the market to close above 52,800 tomorrow. Simple. Downside mein what can we expect? The previous swing high for me was, the mini swing high was 51,700. Okay, so if someone is aggressive, probably they'll be in those kinds of puts. Okay, if they're conservative, they are going to be below up around a 51,200 or something. And the very safe option sellers who don't want to take too much risk and don't want to take the call side risk as well, they'll probably be in 51,000 and below puts. Now see, even in the option chain, we are seeing a lot of call unwinding, okay, and put writing. The put writing is going on in ITM options as well. Okay, so we can at least expect a gap up opening tomorrow, most likely. Logically speaking, it should be a gap up. Also, I want to highlight one more point for all of you. Nikita in her weekly analysis had clearly mentioned this 26th October as a benchmark for what could happen this week. In that week, 26th October week, we saw market went up. Okay, it was a bullish and then it opened with a big gap up and then started to sell off. Okay, now same kind of logic we can expect here. If we get a big gap up, okay, I am expecting a red candle then. Okay, same like how Nikita said 26th October, that way similar I am expecting. Okay, so on the 15-minute time frame, I want to tell you a couple of logics, and again, Nikki pointed this out, and because of her actually we ended up making damn good money today. So what we did actually, he told you yesterday, we are waiting for a pole and flag breakout. So we got a pole and flag breakout here. Correct, which means she's also will be telling you basically that the market should go up. If she's saying the market should go up, then how can you make money? By selling puts, going future long, buying calls. Okay, so we don't buy calls, baki sab kuch we do. We'll go future long, we'll sell puts, we'll do everything. Okay, we just try to avoid option buying. So in this case, what did we do? We just started shorting these puts and kept rolling them up as market was going up. Now this is what we've done basically. So this pole and flag pattern which she spoke about, it helped us a lot tremendously. Also, see, to expect this kind of up move in this week, you need certain logics and setups which tell you to do so. So I'm saying right here, we knew that the market will go up in the next. So if you're interested in learning these kind of advanced logics, you can sign up for a workshop. It's in approximately 10 days now. It's on 9th in Ahmedabad. So if you're from Ahmedabad and if you're interested in price action and option selling, either of the two, I think you'll love the workshop. So if you want to join, you can sign up for that. Now coming back to Bank Nifty. Now for tomorrow, what can we expect? What important levels are there for me tomorrow? Now first thing is that see this previous resistance zone, we broke that zone. So if market comes down, yesterday's high also I marked and previous day's high also approximately same level, which tells me 51,500 should be very good support if tomorrow market comes down. The probability of the market coming down at the opening is very low though. At the opening, it should probably open with a gap up or flat. Okay. So if the market comes down and makes a higher high, I am probably interested in going long here or trying to sell any OTM puts. This is what I'm interested in. Now, second case mein, let's assume we open flat. Flat means we open in this kind of zone, which is approximately 52,350 on the upside to 52,150 on the downside. Now, this is a flat zone for me. After this, if we consolidate and then give a breakout, again, I'll be interested in like rolling my puts up. I'll be very cautious because this 52,600 level is a resistance, previous resistance, okay, zone. And I said, even if this is crossed, this zone is very important, 52,800 then. Now, what does this mean? This means that 52,800 ke upar abhi jab properly Bank Nifty will go again, that time will become bullish again. Okay. So for now, we have a bullish biased kind of a trade and fresh longs. Okay. Fresh longs, I mean fresh momentum on the upside, quick one, we like get above 52,800 then. So tomorrow, I'm not expecting too much of a movement kind of a day. See, because in this week already see, like we already got a down move and we already got an up move. So sideways also we have to go. So let's assume the market gaps up. So what will I expect? I'll expect the market to come down and eventually in the next 3-4 days then go back up. Maybe tomorrow also it can reverse, but even if it comes down, I'll expect this upward kind of a price action then. If the market opens flat and breaks down, so I want the market to give me 2 candles at least on the downside before I start selling calls, okay, on the upside. And lastly, what if the market opens a gap down kind of an opening? So if it opens gap down, I'll be expecting an inside candle sort of a day. Like volatile, it will scare you on the put side. When you get out of the puts, then probably it will scare you on the call side, that kind of a day. So this is what I'm expecting for tomorrow. I also expect puts to decay a lot tomorrow morning in the opening. And I mean, the only problem with that is if there's a big gap down, and I also told you what I expect if a gap down happens. So very simple, resistance pay, if it opens somewhere here and breaks the first 15-minute candle low, try to short it. Most probably it will try to test today's high because the closing and the high are the same place. So it will try to test that at least once. Now in Nifty, one good thing is happening. Okay, what's the good thing? That see, like multiple highs are coming in the same place. So what do we need in Nifty? We need a good 15-minute candle closing above 24,070 level. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 around the 4 days ka high is around the same level. So what is going to happen? Whoever shorted Nifty, they might cover their shorts leading to an up move. This is what I think in Nifty may happen. So the condition for that is wait for at least one 15-minute candle closing above 24,470 level. Okay, and see this. You see the VIX ka sign here. Okay, the VIX, WICKS in the candles. Okay, at least they are signifying to me that there is some kind of the selling pressure is reducing. At least that's what we can say. At least conclude. Okay, so Nifty also be ready. Okay, for a good up move, 24,470 ke upar. Nifty should also do good on the 15-minute time frame. In Nifty, see, we are making this a higher high kind of a pattern. Now all we need is a breakout of this zone. So if it breaks out on the upside, what can we say? We can expect the rectangle low to go to 0 then for the next week. Okay, very simple logic. And conversely, if we don't get a breakout and we try to break the rectangle low, we can expect the opposite. This is also a simple trade. So keep a watch out on Nifty. What will be best? Okay, in Nifty, let's say we are coming down from the same zone. If we come down little bit now and then consolidate and then break it now, this will be the best thing for longs. You'll get a very small stop loss then. Okay, and then you can ride the trend if it goes. See, in Fin Nifty also, I remember properly, Nikita reminded you yesterday. She said yesterday in her video, 24,200 level, whenever it's taken out, you have to get out of your shorts. Okay. After this also, a very good brutal spike has come in Fin Nifty. This also has to be avoided. Now, I think a lot of indices, they're making a higher high pattern, which is damn good for the bulls. Even this ICICI Bank looks awesome because this rectangle was there, it broke out and then huge up move. All in all, I think this is awesome. Nikita has performed exceptionally well and a lot of our setups also have performed very well, okay, over the last like 10 days or so. So let's see how tomorrow goes. Okay, I given you my analysis. हिंदी में जस्ट अ क्विक रिकैप. आई थिंक ये रेजिस्टेंस जोन है एक 52,800 के लेवल का, तो मुझे लग रहा है उसके ऊपर के कॉल जीरो जाएंगे और ये 51,300 वगैरह के नीचे के पुट्स जो सेफ है आई थिंक वो वाले जीरो जाएंगे और अग्रेसिव वालों ने थोड़े से ऊपर के मारे होंगे, ठीक है, हमारे जैसे लोगों ने उसके ऊपर. और निफ्टी में आपको क्या देखना है, निफ्टी में बहुत सिंपल है, लास्ट 3-4 दिन का जो हाई है बहुत सेम ही लेवल पे आ रहा है. तो इसके ऊपर ना अगर एक कैंडल क्लोज मिल जाती है तो बहुत मस्त होगा और इसको आप 15 मिनट में ही यूज कर सकते हो. जैसे 15 मिनट में ये लास्ट 3-4 दिन का हाई अगर क्रॉस करता है, 15 मिनट कैंडल क्लोज करती है तो आप लॉन्ग जा सकते हो निफ्टी में. ओके मेरे हिसाब से. और ट्राई टू रिस्पेक्ट दिस रेक्टेंगल जोन इन निफ्टी अभी, बिकॉज 2 times इट हैज कम डाउन. तो रेक्टेंगल अभी ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. रेक्टेंगल का ब्रेकआउट या ब्रेकडाउन जहां होता है वहां पे एक्चुअली यू हैव टू लाइक बायस योरसेल्फ योर ट्रेड्स एक्चुअली. ठीक है, सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन. ओके, आई एम गिविंग यू द टारगेट इज 600 फॉर दिस वीडियो. ओके, आई विल सी यू वेरी सून. बाय बाय.